Well, I guess Quark didn't eliminate them.
How observant of you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, if you were only so diligent in doing your own job!
Yes, sir.
Since our new planet is nearly finished, we need a plan to remove the world that is occupying our selected orbit. This time, it must be absolutely foolproof. Time is wasting.
Right. So, there should be 2 routes we can go. Well, there's actually technically 3, but one route we can't go, we have to come back here later. But, the first time we come here, there's an interesting route, which I'll be using. I quite like this planet. Just for the second route, because the second route is really fun. Is there any weapons? I don't think there is. Bet is not. I don't think so. I want to buy that. I want to buy that, but I don't. Because I want the nanotech upgrade. What I need to do is save up for the nanotech upgrade. Yeah, that's it. Nanotech upgrade, and because I have the PDA, I can just get ammo for what I have. Yeah, that works. Okay. That's my plan. Devastator ammo. So yeah, this is probably one of my favourite parts of the game. I don't know why, I just really enjoy this. It's really fun. And now we've got the interesting section. The section which requires us to haul ass. Because otherwise we die. It's only a short little section, but it's fun. But you get something out of it. So it's not worth it. It is worth it. I was going to say it's not worth it. It is worth it. I don't know how I managed to get through that unscathed. Actually, I think that is a skill point getting through here without taking a hit. Which is going to be tough. Not going to lie, I think it will be very tough. But I can do it, for I am Teal, the Game Master. With the timing, and the dodging, and the going through rings, and the swimming, and the... yeah. Ah, I'm gonna die. Ah, this is bad. Fuck my life. Yeah, this is why it's gonna be bad. I can't even stay alive. So, what makes me think I'm gonna be able to go through here without taking a hit if I can't even survive? I'm gonna try this time with all my might. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. No! Oh, that sucks. That sucks, great big dinosaur balls. And that's the end, I believe. I'm certain there's a skill point for that.
Oh, yeah!
Bolt grabber, I believe. Yeah. Essentially bolts magnetised you, I think. I think that's how it works. I may be mistaken. Regardless, it's pretty cool. I actually thought it was the thing where if you use your wrench, things explode nearby you, but that comes into play with Ratchet and Clank 2, I believe. I would have thought we'd get some kind of tutorial on what it does, but okay. Hey, do you recognise these robots? They're in the first cutscene of the game.
We'll need the Gadgetron hologuise to explore the factory. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect a hologuise on this planet.
Yep, we get that in a different planet. A planet which sucks, may I add. It doesn't suck. Actually, that's a lie. It doesn't suck. It's a fun planet. It's just really difficult. Especially if you're not good with a jetboard, hoverboard, whatever it's called. you're not good with that, you're screwed. Literally screwed. And since there's a trophy with the jet ball hoverboard, oh boy, that's going to be fun. Gonna have battles of fun with that. Barrels and battles of fun. Die? Yay. See, this area is pretty fun. I quite like this. Ooh, die. Die, all of you. Oh my god, I can do that. It's so rewarding. It's so much fun. Why have I been deprived of that for so long? Ah, you're killing me. Very quickly, might I add. Okay, health is good. Are they all dead? Yeah, they are. Okay. What is that? Okay, sorry, okay, I thought it was that. I don't know why. Yeah, someone just came in and gave me a parcel. I know exactly what that parcel is. So this should be interesting. So yeah, let's see. Ah.
Was it pi over infinity, or...
Hey! You need help fixing that thing?
Actually, I'm trying to destroy it.
Why?
I was contracted to re-engineer my enlarging machine to create huge, heavily armed mechs.
So that's where those mechs came from.
Precisely. Had I known Drek was behind this, I never would have done it.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, if you'll volunteer to be enlarged, you may be able to stop those mechs long enough for me to sabotage this machine.
And then you will change me back?
I've never tried that, but in theory, yes.
Yep, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. This is pretty fun. I do enjoy this. I do take pleasure out destroying things.
When your energy bar is full, press the triangle button.
Essentially that. Welcome to the arena. Clank is doing a massive bale of damage to the other weak opponent. It seems he's doing well against him. And oh, look at this, he's doing a sucker punch and a left punch and a high hook and a blah 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 blah. Yeah, so this is pretty fun. This is a pretty good part of the game. I'm destroying giant mechs with a giant Clank. I don't think I need to say any more, to be honest. This is a pretty cool level. The second visit is very difficult though, if I remember correctly. Felt like there was a tad bit of lag there, though I may be mistaken. So yeah, let's see. Oh. Die. No, 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 no. There we go. Oh, that was it.
Well done. Now
That was
just
easy.
to the machine and we'll see what happens.
Nice to have you back, I guess.
I've recalibrated the controls to allow only your specific circuit pattern.
Oh, perfect.
I don't know how to thank you two. Maybe this'll help.
New! From Gadgetron, the makers of weapons and other fine products, comes the Hollow Guys. With the Hollow Guys, you can fool robots into thinking you're one of them. Match your wits against other robots. Work on robotic assembly lines. Attend robot parties. The Hollow Guys. Available only at Gadgetron headquarters for a limited time. Not to be used for illegal purposes. We're only in sanctioned areas. You will not actually become a robot.
If I can get that thing, I'll be able to get past those robot guards.
Robots are not so easily fooled.
Ah, what's that?
What?
Uh-huh.
Lol. How do I get in that door? I don't know. I literally don't know at all. So yeah, Giant Clank is pretty fun. Pretty cool. Gotta love it. So yeah, we go in there to a planet which is kind of tough, but it's kind of fun at the same time. I enjoy it. Sort of. Some of it. Sort of. I hate this. I hate the hoverboard. I mean, I don't hate it. It's just I'm really not that good at it, and it's a very tough challenge to win this race. And I believe there's a skill point and stuff. Oh well. Calibo 3.